So what are some of the data exchange needs when we're transferring PLC information over to another application, in this case in the Rockwell environment? There are a few things to take into consideration. Of course, you have the hardware data, the rack structures that may contain part information. So if you have some of the rack layouts with some particular hardware, we need to have that information pertaining to the part number, or at least what kind of part you're using. Um, Assignment lists, table of variables, also maybe containing in the assignment are symbolic addresses and hardware addresses. Network structures, logical views are also some of the things that we're looking for. And this is something that we need to take into consideration when we're doing the transfer of information from one application to the other. So analyzing, looking at some of the hardware layouts that we may have. Of course, this is something that we need to look and be wary of. Of course, inside the information or properties pertaining to some of these devices, we need to look at, if I look at the PLC properties, the PLC box properties, we have some PLC structure data. There is some information here that is very crucial or very important. Station ID, rack ID, where is the PLC card, where is it placed, and what rack ID. Of course, understanding that we have to be using this in multiple scenarios, of course, not just one rack in our projects. There may be multiple. Additional information such as, what CPU does this belong to, or what's the name of this particular CPU, bus system information, and then some. So there are properties we need to look into, we need to be wary of, and some of this information is available to you in this white paper as well. Some of this information is available online in the tricks and tips that we provide.